Hello everyone. Today we are bringing you the first CSM plus ITSM better together narrative. With this story, we will be demonstrating the core features of CSM plus ITSM. So the use case is like Solana Home Security provides the mobile app to their customers for 24 by 7 security monitoring, and they use ServiceNow for customer support related to the mobile application, right? So here Samantha Collins is the consumer of Solana Home Secure and she is not able to monitor the video feeds on the mobile app. So she goes to the ServiceNow portal and submits the issue. And after that, CSM and ITSM teams come together and resolve all the issues which are reported. The narrative name would be CSM plus ITSM Showcase. This we are releasing in Utah. So the flow will go like this, where Samantha will be going on a security portal and creating a case related to the issue with mobile app video feeds. And then via AWA, the case will be assigned to the John Jason, who is a CSM agent for the day. John Jason would get the recommended actions on a CSM configurable workspace for the case where he will be able to see troubleshooting steps and steps to create an incident from the recommended action itself. Once John Jason creates the recommended actions, then what happens is the ITSM process get triggers, the incident gets created and it will be assigned to the Lakshmi, who's the incident analyst from the incident management team. Lakshmi would be able to see the incident details like the configurable item impacted and the priority and the impact of the incident. Lakshmi knows the workaround for this incident, so she would like to suggest the workaround instructions via attaching the knowledge article on the incident and providing that workaround and closing the incident. Once Lakshmi closes that incident, we will be showing the recommended action to John Jason to pass on that knowledge article to the customer, and John Jason would be doing the same. Based on that, Samantha would be receiving the link for the knowledge article and she can follow that steps and continue to monitor the video feeds. In the background, we know that this issue is common in nature and could impact multiple users. So Lakshmi would go ahead and create the problem for that incident, and then problem and change request process will take place. We are going to simulate this problem management and the change management process using execute jump button on a problem page. We will see that in the demo. So as soon as problem gets created by Lakshmi, it will be assigned to the respective problem group, and also the problem manager Chris Wolf will be there to work on that and follow up. We will also see the rest of the steps required to be completed for the problem management and the flow for the change implementation in the demo. So let's start with the demo. So Samantha Collins goes to the security portal, and in the security portal we have a support menu on the header. From here she want to raise a product issue what she is facing. Select product as Solana Corporation digital video recorder. As soon as Samantha is typing the issue with mobile app video feeds, she also get the suggested articles. So she can go ahead and check this article. You can cancel this. And Samantha would like to follow this article. So let's assume here that Samantha has followed this article, but still her issue is not resolved. So she would like to mention that and proceed. She can submit the case from here. As the case is getting submitted, we will keep John Jason available in the CSM configurable workspace. So you can see here John has received the case issue with mobile app video feeds, and he will be accepting it. Perfect. So you can see here John is able to see all the details related to the case like the product asset, assignment group and the customer details. From here now John Jason would like to see if there is any recommended actions. So you can see that there is a recommended actions for John Jason, and he would like to troubleshoot the mobile app issue this particular action, so he can go ahead and troubleshoot it. So customer has already tried the basic troubleshooting from the knowledge base article, so he would go ahead and type yes here, customer subscription status is active, and create the incident. You can see here the confirmation about the incident is created and the incident number is also given. Now if we go to the incident analyst persona, let me go here. So Lakshmi analyst was actually available to get the incidents in the inbox via AWA. So here on a service operation workspace, Lakshmi analyst is received the incident which John has created. She would like to go ahead and accept it. You can see here Lakshmi would be able to see the affected configurable item, the impact and the priority of an incident. She can also see the recommendation from the historic incidents related to this particular incident, and she can basically link that incident. We will now go ahead and see if there is knowledge article which Lakshmi can provide as a workaround. So let me go to the agent assist here, and here Lakshmi is having this article fix issue with mobile app video feed, which she can open and click on attach from here. After attaching the article, Lakshmi can resolve this incident. Perfect. So as you can see, once incident is closed, here in the activity feed, whatever actions Lakshmi is performing, the activity feed is getting updated with the necessary updates. Now we will go back to the John Jason, and if I see the recommended actions, let me go back. Here you can see that we have a suggestion for the article to be shared with the customer. So here John Jason will go ahead and review this article and attach it to the case so that it can be visible to the Samantha Collins. Perfect. Now the knowledge base article is been attached to the case. You can also see in activity all the steps which is been done, like the incident closed by the Lakshmi is also visible here for the John, and you can also see that when Lakshmi started working on it, the action status was blocked internally, and when she closed it, it was changed to needs attention. And now we'll go and see the Samantha Collins, what she is able to see. See here, Samantha has got the comment from the John Jason, and here Samantha would like to open it to see the article. Perfect. So Samantha can see this article and she can follow it and get her issue resolved. Now coming back to the John Jason will propose this solution to the Samantha to close the case. So for that purpose, John Jason would go to the templates and attach the template like resolved with incident. Perfect. The closure information is got updated here, and John would propose a solution. Done. So here now the state of the case is resolved. Once Samantha accepts the resolution, it will be closed. So we will closely go ahead and see. So here it is resolved and Samantha accepts it. She can fill the satisfaction survey, and you can see here the status of the case got updated to closed, and field is updated by Sam Collins. Now let's see the backend process of the ITSM of problem management and the change management. So Lakshmi comes back to the incident and she basically can create the problem here. While problem getting created, once you see the screen, just save it once to have the information up to date. And you can see here that the problem is assigned to the problem solving group, and the problem manager case wolf is already been assigned here. You can also see this thing in the activity feed here. Now we will go ahead and execute jump in order to close all the related tasks for this problem. So I'll go ahead and activate the jump. Once that jump is activated, you can see the state of the problem gets updated here. So you can see that from this previous state of open, now the state has been changed to root cause, then fix in progress, and then it is being closed using the jump. You can validate the problem tasks which is being closed here, and then you are also having the change request task here in the fix task tab. So here if I drill down on this particular change request, we will see the complete life cycle of the change implementation. Perfect. So here you can see the complete life cycle of the events for the change request implementation. So this is pretty much closes our flow from creating the case and involving CSM and ITSM to resolve that case and the root cause analysis of the particular problem. Optionally, it is also possible if you want to show the demo without execute jump, then you can create the change request from incident detail page. So this is optional flow. I'll just show you. So if you create the change request here, we have cards which will be used for resolving the video feed issue. So here you can see archive feeds from data storage was having issue, which is related to the video feeds. So we will go ahead and select that and click next. Let's save this form to create the change request now. These are all the same steps which we have seen completed earlier in the execute jump demo. Here now you can show all these steps by doing it and showing the progress one by one. So as soon as you click on progressing with the next steps, like next step is schedule, so let's schedule the thing, then we will implement, review, then we can close it. Before closing, closure information is mandatory, so we'll put it successful and data servers perfect, and save it and then close it. Perfect. So you can see now the complete change process we have done manually. That also you can show optionally in your demos. Thank you so much.